how to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to Fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you. So let's get started guys by taking you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply this method. So here let's open Google Maps in your browser and wait for it to load. Here, wait for it to load, then go to the search in Google Maps and type the United States. That's the country we are going to target in today's video. Here let's click on United States and wait for it to load. Let's wait for the United States to show up, and here let's zoom in on the states. Zoom in on the states and choose a city or a state that you're going to apply this method in. So here, for example, let's choose Indiana. Let's zoom in. Let's choose another city in here. Let's choose Anderson, for example. Let's zoom in and let's go to the search again, and let's type some kind of a small business to search for. Here you have plumbers, hair salons, auto repair shops, and gyms. But before that, I'm going to talk about the three services that we are going to offer these small businesses. So the first service is the website creation. So we are going to check if they have a website in their Google Maps profile, and if not, we are going to offer to create one for them. And the second service we are going to offer them is the bad reviews removing from their Google Maps profile. So if they have any bad reviews, we are going to offer to remove them. And the third service is the social media account managing. So we're going to offer to manage their Instagram or their Facebook. So here let's start with gyms. Here, for example, let's search for gyms and let's wait for it to load to see all of the available gyms in this area. So here you can see that we have a lot of profiles showing up. And here for the first one, guys, always make sure in order to choose the perfect profile for you to reach out to, and the ones with the highest rate of answering to our reaching out, or with the highest rate of purchasing our service, make sure always to check if there is any sponsored written in the profile, and also if they have more than 150 reviews. So the ones with more than 150 reviews and with sponsored written in their profile, make sure to avoid those and always go for the ones with less than 150 reviews and with no sponsored written in their profile. So for example, this one, they have 151 review, so you can just reach out to them. One review won't make any change. So here let's check their profile to see if we can offer them our services. So the name is Live Right Fitness, and here this is their website. So let's check their website. Wait for it to load. Live Right Fitness, and here let's get moving. This is the formula you're going to fill. What are you mainly interested in? And by scrolling down, so here their website is pretty much up to dated. It's simple, but it's not that old, so we won't need to make any changes in here. So we can't offer them the website creation. Let's scroll down to see if we can offer them the bad reviews removing, and from the review summary you will see that they have quite a few bad reviews between the 3-star, 2-star, and 1-star reviews. So let's scroll down and let's hunt for these 2-star or less reviews. Those are the ones we are interested in, because those reviews are going to help us a lot when we are talking with the clients or when we try to convince them. So let's scroll down, click on more reviews, and let's wait for it to load. Here, let's scroll down again. We have 5-star reviews. So here we have the 2-star review. It's a nice gym and all, but the experience canceling the experience canceling is typical of a local small town gym, a pita, unless you go and deal with them in person. Well, guess what? I can't easily do that because we moved to 1.5 hours away. So I call and email them, speak to Mike, who, if you've been a member of any amount of time, will know is a decently high up person, and ask to cancel, show proof of residency and everything. And then 3 months go by and I've been charged every single month since then, totaling $120 for a gym that's a state away. So here, this is a bad review talking about how this person got robbed without because of the staff wouldn't cancel their gym membership, and they still paid the gym without even going to the gym. And here we have a 3-star review. I have been a member of Liverite on and off for about 4 years. My first membership was for their smaller Noblesville location. I like that it was a short trip from home. This is a long review, and here it talks about the good of what's good in this gym and what's bad. Also, cleanliness and basic building maintenance are still issues. The water fountains are especially grungy and crusty with lime scale, which makes them breeding sites for bacteria and rust. The windows and floors need a good professional cleaning. So here we have all of these bad reviews, another 3-star review. So you can just gather all of these bad reviews and use them whenever you are trying to convince the business owners to purchase your service, which is removing these bad reviews. And guys, when it comes to doing or delivering the service, you'll just need to go to Fiverr.com, which is the platform where we are going to hire freelancers to deliver the service instead of us. So here, just wait for it to load. You won't need to make any effort or to learn any service. The only thing you will need to do is to land the client, make them pay an amount of money, for example, $100 or $200 for the services you are going to offer them. Then come to Fiverr.com and you can hire whatever freelancer you'd like to, or you can hire the freelancer who can deliver the services that you got paid for. And that's it guys for today's video. I hope you understand the method. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel,